Most financial plans fail for one reason. They assume life stays predictable. It never does. The average person changes jobs 12 times. They get married, divorced, face health issues, live through recessions. A plan built at 30 is often completely irrelevant by 40. So what actually works? A flexible plan, one built to adapt, not just survive. Here's what that looks like in practice. First, build bigger buffers than you think you need. The traditional 3 to 6 month emergency fund isn't enough during a real transition. Think 12 to 18 months. That cushion is what keeps a job, loss, or health crisis from becoming a financial catastrophe. Second, stop optimizing for one future. Run 3 scenarios: best case, worst case, and most likely. The plan that survives all 3 is the one worth having. Third, set review triggers, not just review dates. A job change, a diagnosis, a new dependent. These should automatically trigger a full plan review. Fourth, protect your optionality. Keep debt conservative. Maintain liquid savings beyond your emergency fund. Avoid long-term commitments that lock you out of future opportunities. The goal isn't predicting the future. It's building something resilient, enough to handle whichever future actually shows up. Plootus can help you stress test your plan and model multiple scenarios. The link is in the bio and pinned in the comments.